All right, how's everybody doing? I got some bonus footage for you to watch. I pulled into a warehouse a couple days ago to load some skidded coils, and the guy in front of me was loading what I call baby coils. And he was loading, I think it was 6 small coils, and he was loading them shotgun. They call them shotgun because the eye of the coil is loaded heading towards the front of the truck, so that if you look down the back of the trailer, it looks like the barrel of a shotgun. That's why they call them shotgun. The other way is suicide, and that's with the eye to the side. They call them suicide because if the chains were to break, the coil would just roll over the front of the truck. So anyway, he loaded into a Conestoga trailer, which, for you guys that don't know, is a trailer that has a sliding tarping system. So the trailer actually has rails along the side, and the tarping system rolls along those rails, so you can roll it forward or backwards to put your load in. They are a very expensive system to install on a trailer. They're good to have. They don't work on every load, but if your kind of specialty is hauling a certain item, then it'll work. I haul so much different stuff all the time that if I was to use a system like that, it could limit what I could haul. They do pay, so there are some loads that require just a Conestoga. A lot of machinery loads, sometimes they want a Conestoga. But they're really expensive. They're somewhere between $15,000 to $18,000 for a Conestoga system to be installed on a trailer. So anyway, back to the coils. When he's loading the coils, you're going to see him drop the coils down on the trailer, or set them on the trailer, and then you're going to see him look and then pick the coils back up, and the driver is going to add another piece of wood to his racks. And the problem was with those small coils in a standard coil rack with the wood on the sides there, the bottom of the coil will touch the bottom of the trailer, and you don't want that because it'll damage the coil. You want the coil sitting up above the trailer a couple inches. So he had to add some wood to make the cradle narrower so that the coil would not sit so far down into the cradle. So you'll see him pick them up, put them to the side, he'll add a piece of wood and then set it down. So that's what he's doing there. And then at the end, you'll see him close the Conestoga. I was waiting in line, and my dash cam or my camera caught that, and I thought, that's pretty interesting. So I'm gonna put that out there. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll get some more footage of some loads this weekend.